Hey, this is Alex from the Cephable team, and in this video, I'm going to give you some quick tips and tricks on how to use the Cephable controls with Call of Duty Black Ops 7 in Zombies. I'm going to be prioritizing using the Cephable mobile app with voice controls and quick action buttons, and show you some ways that you can leverage it while also using a physical input like a keyboard and mouse or a regular controller. So, to get started, I'm going to jump in and just start a single player match using standard. Play solo, I'll do Astra Malorum, and I'll ready up. Alright, now that we're in the game, we're going to choose to start our actual controls from the Cephable app. And I'm going to start with voice controls, so I'm going to tap Start Microphone. Now with it listening to me, I can use commands to start moving around. Go. Now the important thing with zombies is that you're often having to drag zombies along behind you, and then turning around to aim and shoot. And so now I've got a trail of zombies behind me, I can do things like this. Stop. Aim. Shoot. Stop. Fire. 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 Punch. Go. Sprint.
Work swiftly, my friends.
Now you can use voice controls for any of the core movement, not just for aiming and shooting and automatically running. You can even use it for things like wall bouncing by saying jump twice. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Slide. Sprint. Aim. Reload. Sprint. Stop. Mixing a little bit of physical inputs there, I can use voice commands, plus, in this case, I'm using a mouse for aiming and shooting. You can do the same thing with your joystick as well. Punch. Punch. Punch.
Hostile chassis functionally dismantled.
Melee. Punch. Armor. Go. Sprint. You can also use it for lethal and tacticals too, by saying things like grenade or tactical. And I'll show you that next in the next round. Stop. Move back. Grenade. Stop. F. You can mix in commands that are also mapped to the default buttons or keys too. Go. Sprint. Now we can also switch over to using quick action buttons to help as well. So I'm going to use some of the out-of-the-box ones, like just aiming and shooting and melee here. Even though I'm down, I can even go back and use voice commands to self-revive. Self-revive. Just like that, you've got voice commands helping you with automatically moving, with aiming and shooting, using some utility, and you can mix that in with any physical inputs as well. Cephable makes it easy to get started and add adaptive controls to the way you play.